Hello again. It's Matilda from Your Right Hand Admin, and we specialize in helping self-employed entrepreneurs gain control of their record-keeping practices so that they can maximize their cash flow. And this week, I just wanted to share what I'm up to, what I got going on, and my goals for the week. So, my goals for the week is to make sure that I have successful sales calls that are coming up. Plan for those, and how do I stay on top of these goals that I have every week? Well, I have a happy planner, and I write down my goals by using a list every week, which I use a method from Brian Tracy because I've read a lot of books. In 2024, I read over 100 books that were dedicated to personal development, leadership, entrepreneurship, anything that was pertaining to that. And one of the authors that I read is Brian Tracy. A lot of his books are about like management, organization, and things of that nature. So his method is that when you create a list, you're more likely to finish it and complete those tasks. But the thing is, you're supposed to create a list and like separate it out by A, B's, and C's. Your A's, how you determine if your list of tasks is important is by the consequence that will occur if you don't complete the task. So for example, I have to prepare for sales calls / discovery calls this week. And if I don't plan for that, I believe that that's like an A. Because number one, if I don't plan for that, the consequences of me having a successful sales call is kind of like slim to none. Before getting on the phone with clients, there's a list of things that I like to do to just try to cover the sales call, because to prepare myself to know what the client is looking for, what kind of business they have, and all of those type of things. And so those are my goals. Those are some of my goals for the week. I have some other goals, which is to network, and I will be networking tomorrow. And for the most part, that's pretty much it. And work on my bookkeeping clients. What I do is I pretty much work on my clients on a particular day of the week, and it works for me. It's been working, and so far it's going good. So how do you stay on top of your goals? How do you make sure that you accomplish your goals every week? I'd love to hear what you have to say. Again, I'm Matilda, and I'll be chatting with you guys soon. Have a great day.